Are you tired of the traditional 9 to 5 grind? Yearning for a way to break free from the mundane routine and seize control of your financial destiny? Imagine a world where your income isn't limited by office's politics or corporate hierarchies, where your success is defined by your own creativity, determination, and innovation. Well, my friend, welcome to the realm of endless possibilities. Welcome to the exhilarating world of online entrepreneurship. From the bustling streets of e-commerce to the dynamic landscapes of freelancing, affiliate marketing, and beyond, the online realm is brimming with untapped potential waiting to be unleashed by those bold enough to seize it. So, if you are ready to shatter the chains of conventional employment and embrace the boundless possibilities of the digital age, then join me as we uncover the secrets to online success and embark on a journey that will change the course of your life forever. Get ready to turn your dreams into reality. It's time to make money online like never before. E-commerce. Choose your niche. Research and identify a niche market with high demand and low competition. Consider factors like your interests, expertise, and potential profitability. Set up your online store. Select an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Customize your store's design, layout, and branding to appeal to your target audience. Decide whether you will create your own products, dropship, or use a combination of both. Find reliable suppliers or manufacturers for your products. Create product listings. Write compelling product descriptions and titles. Capture high-quality images or videos of your products. Set pricing and shipping policies. Determine pricing strategies that consider costs, competition, and profit margins. Define shipping rates, delivery times, and return policies. Market your store. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email campaigns, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your store. Provide excellent customer service. Offer responsive customer support through various channels like live chat, email, or phone. Address customer inquiries, concerns, and issues promptly. Analyze and optimize. Track key performance metrics like sales, conversion rates, and customer acquisition cost. Use analytics tools to identify areas for improvement and optimize your store's performance. Scale up your business. Explore opportunities for growth such as expanding your product line, entering new markets, or implementing automation and outsourcing. Stay updated and adapt. Keep abreast of industry trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Adapt your strategies and offerings accordingly to stay competitive in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Freelancing. Identify your skills and niche. Determine your expertise and the services you can offer as a freelancer. Research the demand for your skills in various freelancing platforms and industries. Create a professional profile. Sign up and create a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Showcase your skills, experience, portfolio, and client testimonials to attract potential clients. Set your rates and services. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like your skills, experience, and market rates. Clearly define the services you offer and any additional options or packages available. Start bidding on projects. Browse through available job listings or projects that match your skills and interests. Submit tailored proposals highlighting your qualifications, relevant experience, and proposed solutions to the client's needs. Communicate effectively. Maintain clear and timely communication with clients throughout the project lifecycle. Clarify project requirements, deadlines, and expectations to ensure a mutual understanding. Deliver high-quality work. Fulfill project requirements with professionalism, accuracy, and attention to detail. Meet deadlines and exceed client expectations to build a positive reputation and secure future opportunities. Request feedback and reviews. Encourage clients to provide feedback and reviews upon project completion. Use positive testimonials. Enhance your credibility and attract more clients. Build your brand and network. Establish your personal brand through social media, professional networking platforms, and your own website or blog. Cultivate relationships with clients, peers, and industry contacts to expand your network and access new opportunities. Affiliate marketing. Choose your niche and products. Select a niche market with products or services that align with your interests, expertise, and audience needs. Research and identify reputable affiliate programs and products to promote. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs offered by companies or brands that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Review program terms, commission rates, and payment schedules for becoming join. Build your platform. Establish a platform to promote affiliate products such as a blog, website, YouTube channel, social media accounts, or email list. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and incorporates affiliate links naturally. Drive traffic to your content. Utilize various traffic generation strategies to attract visitors to your platform, such as SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, and email marketing. Focus on creating engaging, informative, and shareable content to drive traffic and encourage conversions. Disclose affiliate relationships. Adhere to legal requirements and ethical guidelines by disclosing your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience. Clearly indicate when you are promoting affiliate products and provide honest recommendations and reviews. Track and analyze performance. Use tracking tools provided by affiliate programs or third-party platforms to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze performance data to identify top-performing products. Optimize your promotional strategies and maximize your affiliate income. Experiment and iterate. Continuously experiment with different promotional tactics, content formats, and affiliate products to find what works best for your audience. Stay flexible and adapt your strategies based on performance and feedback from your audience. Content creation. Define your niche and audience. Identify your target niche and audience based on your interests, expertise, and market demand. Conduct research to understand your audience preferences, needs, and pain points. Choose your content format and platform. Determine the most suitable content formats for your niche and audience, such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, or social media posts. Select the platforms where you will publish and promote your content, such as a blog, YouTube channel, hosting services, or social media networks. Develop a content strategy. Create a content calendar outlining topics, formats, and publishing schedules to maintain consistency and relevance. Plan your content around keywords, trends, and audience interest to maximize visibility and engagement. Create high-quality content. Produce compelling, informative, and valuable content that resonates with your audience and showcases your expertise. Invest in quality equipment, softwares, resources to ensure professional production and presentation. Optimize for search engines. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant search terms and topics for your content. Optimize your content for search engines by incorporating keywords naturally, optimizing meta tags, headers, and descriptions, and improving site speed and user experience. Promote your content. Share your content across various channels, including social media, email newsletters, online communities, and guest posting opportunities. Collaborate with influencers, partners, or affiliates to extend your reach and attract new audiences. Engage with your audience. Foster two-way communication with your audience through comments, messages, polls, and surveys. Respond promptly. Promptly to feedback, questions, and comments to build relationships and loyalty. Monetize your content. Explore monetization options such as advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, or selling digital products or services. Online courses. Choose your topic and audience. Identify a topic or skill in which you have expertise knowledge, or passion. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and learning needs. Validate demand and competition. Conduct market research to assess demand for your chosen topic and identify competitors. Analyze existing online courses, books, forums, and communities to understand what's already available and how you can differentiate your course. Plan your course content. Outline the curriculum and learning objectives for your course, breaking it down into modules, lessons, and topics. Design engaging and structured content, incorporating various formats such as video lectures, written materials, quizzes, assignments, and interactive elements. Choose a platform for hosting. Select a suitable online course platforms or learning management systems to host and deliver your course. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, payment processing, student management, and marketing features. Create your course materials. Develop high-quality course materials, including video lectures, slides, worksheets, ebooks, or downloadable resources. Invest in recording equipment, software, and editing tools to ensure professional production and presentation. Set pricing and enrollment options. Determine the pricing strategies for your course, considering factors like content quality, market demand, competitor pricing, and perceived value. Offer flexible enrollment options such as one-time purchase, subscription, payment plans, or free trials to accommodate different preferences and budgets. Market your course. Develop a marketing plan to promote your course and attract students, utilizing strategies such as content marketing, email campaigns, social media promotion, webinars, partnerships, and advertising. Dropshipping. Choose your niche and products. Identify a niche market with high demand and low competition. Research and select products that are suitable for dropshipping, considering factors like market trends, profit margins, and supplier reliability. Set up your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce for your dropshipping store. Customize your store's design, layout, and branding to create a professional and appealing storefront. Find reliable suppliers. Research and establish partnerships with reputable dropshipping suppliers or wholesalers. Verify product quality, shipping times, and reliability before adding products to your store. Import products and set prices. Import product listings from your suppliers to your online store. Set competitive prices that account for product costs, shipping fees, and desired profit margins. Optimize product listings. Write compelling product descriptions and titles that highlight key features and benefits. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase products from different angles and perspectives. Stock trading. Educate yourself about the stock market. Learn the fundamentals of stock trading, including how the stock market works, different investment strategies, and risk management techniques. Familiarize yourself with financial terms, market indicators, and trading platforms. Set your financial goals and risk tolerance. Determine your investment objectives, whether it's wealth accumulation, retirement planning, or short-term gains. Assess your risk tolerance and investment horizon to develop a suitable trading strategy. Open a brokerage account. Research and choose a reputable online brokerage platform that suits your needs, preferences, and budget. Complete the account registration process and fund your trading account. Develop a trading plan. Define your trading strategy, including entry and exit criteria, positioning sizing, and risk management rules. Backtest your trading strategy using historical data to evaluate its performance and profitability. Conduct fundamental and technical analysis. Analyze company fundamentals such as financial statements, earnings reports, and industry trends to identify investment opportunities. Virtual events and webinars. Choose your event topic and format. Select a relevant and engaging topic for your virtual event or webinar based on your expertise, audience interests, and market demand. Design on the format of your event, such as presentation, panel discussion, workshop, or Q&A sessions. Determine your target audience and goals. Identify your target audience and their preferences, learning objectives, and pain points. Define the goals and objectives of your virtual event, whether it's to educate, inspire, entertain, or generate leads and sales. Choose a virtual event platform. Research and select a suitable virtual event platform or webinar hosting services that offer the features and functionalities you need. Consider factors like audience size, interactivity options, recording capabilities, and integration with marketing tools. Plan and prepare your content. Outline the agenda and content flow for your virtual event, breaking it down into segments or sessions. Develop engaging and informative presentation materials, slides, demos, or multimedia elements to support your content. Online coaching and consulting. Identify your expertise and target audience. Determine your area of expertise, skills, and knowledge that you can offer as a coach or consultant. Define your target audience based on their specific needs, challenges, and goals. Choose your coaching or consulting niche. Narrow down your focus to a specific niche or industry where you can provide the most value and impact. Research market demand, competition, and potential client within your chosen niche. Define your services and offerings. Determine the type of coaching or consulting services you will offer, whether it's one-on-one session, group coaching programs, workshops, or online courses. Develop services packages, pricing structures, and payment options that align with your expertise and target audience's budget. Build your online personal brand and online presence. Establish a professional online presence through a website, blog, social media profiles, and professional networking platforms. Showcase your expertise, credentials, client testimonials, and success stories to build credibility and trust with potential clients. Print on demand. Choose your niche and designs. Identify a niche market or audience with specific interests, passions, or hobbies. Brainstorm and create unique designs, artwork, or slogans that resonate with your target audience. Select a print-on-demand platform. Research and choose print-on-demand platforms such as Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble that align with your needs, preferences, and target market. Sign up for accounts and set up your store on selected platforms. Create and upload your designs. Use design software or hire a graphic designer to create high-quality designs optimized for printing on various products. Upload your designs to your print-on-demand platform and customize product listings with product descriptions, titles, and pricing. Choose products and set prices. Select the products you want to offer, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, based on your target audience's preferences and demand. Set competitive prices that cover up production costs, platform fees, and desired profit margins. So there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs, the best 10 online money-making ideas. If you found this journey through online entrepreneurship inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Join our community of ambitious individuals committed to achieving success in digital world. Together, let's continue to learn, grow, and thrive. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to connecting with you in future videos. Keep dreaming big and taking action towards your goal. Thanks.